Today is Saturday, May 17th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado upper grille set. Unlike the lower grille set, this is a substantially rectangular at crate design, whereas the lower unit is a trapezoidal design. Okay, the unit has been completely redetailed for my friends at Graham's Hot Rods in California. And it's in beautiful condition. Overall, these units are actually plastic. Plastic that is chrome plated and blackened in order to accentuate the contrast. And the unit has been rebonded where necessary, resprayed internally, and detailed externally. Okay, and this will be shipping out to my friends at Graham's as soon as I get their okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage items from 1959 through 76, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, May 17th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.